Okay, this video is for Danny, and it's for everybody else who's watching. He had a question about transparency and a background. So I'm going to get his images in here that he was trying to work with. He was trying to use this as a vector. So let's vectorize that real quick. We want to get all the colors in there. There's one more gray. In fact, I don't want this half of the image there, so let's see if we can get rid of that. This is VinylMaster DSR, which has some raster image editing. That's why I was able to do that. We got the grays. There's a lot of grays, a lot of blacks. Let's just keep it simple with those. Let's see how we look. Well, let's give it a try. I like to have it on logo. Okay, we're missing some right here. Let's do a couple more colors. And we're still missing some. Alright, we're going to cancel all that. Here's the easiest way to do it. If you have DSR, you can hit Mask Tools and the paint can. Click the white. I'm going to click that too. And we'll just cover that up. That's probably the easiest way to do it. Second easiest way, use Photoshop. I think he already sent me the vector, so let me pull that up before I go much further. I'm going to drag in this AI file. That looks pretty good. We'll go with that. Import as editable. Editable. And that already has the white part gone. So you should be okay with that image. I aligned it to center and I aligned it to the top. And this will go to our wireframe mode down here in the bottom right. See how big it is. Shift click on the corner to easily resize. I'll center it. And typically, like here is a good place to stop for size wise. Right about there, like maybe 10th of the way in, 15th of the way in. That's about where the bag starts to roll over when it's filled with fill. Full of fill. Let's bring up the trace to the front so we can see what it looks like. This is what the bag would look like. And what I mentioned before with making sure the seam guide is gone, this line is your seam guide. Anything inside this line will show on the fabric. Anything outside will be cut off. And when you send me the final image, make sure this is gone. You can click it, send it to the back, makes it go away. It's out of view. Let's not have that on the final. But that's basically how you do it, or one way. But let's say, because you were saying you're having problems with the white not being there, I'm going to click the white and delete it. So I think this is what you were coming up with. And a quick way around that is to click the vector. This is how you fill in stuff with white or any color. Go over here on the left to the T outline module, and I'll make it white and I'll click keep holes. So right now this is transparent, there's nothing there, so you're seeing the gray background. When I click keep holes and unclick it, it fills all that in. Then you just hit accept. But you're not done yet, because right now there's the thing is right behind it. That's what's behind this layer. So while that's selected, I'm going to shift click the layer in front, right click it, and then group the two together. So now it's two layers in one. And you can see that here in the object manager and properties. look, I have this group selected, and in that group is the curve, which is the white part, and then all of the parts of this. There you go.